In Flanders fields, the poppies blow, between the crosses, row on row, that mark our place, and in the sky, the larks still bravely singing, fly. Scarce heard amid the guns below, we are the dead, short days ago. We lived, felt dawn, saw sunset glow, loved and were loved, and now we lie in Flanders fields. Take up our quarrel with the foe, to you from failing hands we throw. The torch be yours to hold it high, if ye break faith with us who die. We shall not sleep, though poppies grow in Flanders fields. This poem, In Flanders Fields, was written by John McCrae, born in 1872. John McCrae was a doctor, teacher, and soldier who served in both the South African and the First World War. This poem has gone on to symbolize those who gave up their lives in the fight for our freedoms. But this year, as we pay tribute to Remembrance Day activities during the continued global pandemic, the words of this poem have gone on to mean so much more. For me, this poem, In Flanders Fields, still pays tribute to the sacrifices that came before, but should now also extend to the sacrifices of our frontline workers and to those who have lost a loved one, and to the losses each of us feel beyond the battle of war. The pandemic continues, and our loss grows. We share a global fight with nerves exposed. The loss of a loved one, a hero in front row. In the little things they did, the poppies grow. In the sky and sea and wind that blow, we remember what we have lost. We remember how good timbers grow. We live for the future, but days become fast. We fail to live fully as another season is past. We work and grind to fill our void. We numb our worries to keep minds employed. But when we breathe deep and loud. We find a forgotten remnant lost in the crowds. We journey back to deep and simple truths, that each day is precious, that gratitude, connection, and love are the seeds of the poppy and the birth of our ultimate truth. Welcome to the Authentic You podcast, hosted by Goran Yerkovich.